Hey everyone, just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what we did with one of our new ProMaster Dodge Rams here. It's our new install truck, 2018. We set it up with a 4-foot brake and a Pittsburgh machine. One of the things that we did that's pretty custom here, that when you're doing a truck like this or setting up for your install team to be efficient, and what we did is came up with a way to slide this out here. Pittsburgh slides right out. They'll be able to run their metal through. When they're done for transport, slide it right back in, drop the keeper in, you're good to go. So we're able to custom do fittings right on site for furnace replacements, add-on AC, heat pumps, etc. Got a nice pull-out drawer here that we typically will put our PVC fittings in, like a 3-inch, 2-inch for stock out on the site for doing our flues. This is a used one, come out of one of our 14-foot box vans that we're getting away from, so we were able to reinstall this and reuse it. And then inside we got plenty of shelving for gas pipe, PVC. These also have a really nice sliding system, comes stock with that. This is the 159-inch wheelbase, high roof. You can stand up, walk around in there. Got plenty of room. Flat metal right here. Slides in we could stock what we need. Be able to come in and remove a furnace and add in one of the new 95% trains that we sell. Be able to fabricate all the fittings correctly. Makes for a really nice job. So this van is fully customized, set up so we could come to your home, change your furnace, add AC, add a heat pump, whatever your needs may be. Do it in a timely manner, very efficient. Custom make all the sheet metal fittings as if you would as if you were standing in the shop. So that way we could get your job done on time and on budget, just like we promise. So if you're out there trying to set up a truck like this, feel free to give us a call, shoot us an email. Numbers on the side of the truck, or you can send something to info at columbianw.com, and be more than happy to let you know what we did and where we got our stuff and what kind of product we use. Thanks for watching. We really appreciate it.